Welcome, fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into some incredible GitHub repositories that are absolute gold mines for any cybersecurity researcher. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your skills, these resources have something for everyone. So, let's jump right in. Repo number 1, The Art of Hacking. First up, we have The Art of Hacking. This repository is packed with cybersecurity references, scripts, tools, and code. It's perfect for beginners wanting to learn basic techniques like scanning networks or more advanced topics like reverse engineering malware. It's your go-to for building a solid foundation in cybersecurity. Repo number 2, Awesome Security. Next, we've got Awesome Security. It lives up to its name by offering a curated collection of software, libraries, and documents covering all aspects of security. Whether you are interested in cryptography, network security, or ethical hacking, you'll find invaluable resources here to deepen your understanding and skills. Repo number 3, Cybersecurity Projects. Looking for hands-on experience? Check out Cybersecurity Projects. This GitHub topic is a treasure trove of practical exercises and challenges. From setting up your own virtual lab to simulating real-world attacks, these projects help you apply what you've learned in a safe environment. Repo number 4, Personal Security Checklist. Your digital security matters. The Personal Security Checklist provides essential tips to safeguard your online presence. Whether it's setting up two-factor authentication or encrypting your communications, following these steps can significantly enhance your personal cybersecurity posture. Repo number 5, Cybersecurity Roadmap. The Cybersecurity Roadmap offers a structured path from beginner to expert. It outlines the skills and knowledge you need at each stage of your journey, helping you focus your learning and career development effectively. Repo number 6, Awesome Hacking Resources. Streamlining your workflow, Awesome Hacking Resources is your go-to repository for code snippets and commands. Whether you are preparing for certifications like OSCP or just want to automate common tasks, you'll find tools here to make your life easier. Repo number 7, Awesome Sec Talks. Awesome Sec Talks curates an amazing collection of security-related presentations and discussions. From emerging threats to advanced defense strategies, these talks broaden your knowledge and keep you updated with the latest trends in the field. Repo number 8, Bug Bounty. Interested in ethical hacking and earning rewards? Bug Bounty is dedicated to bug bounty programs where you can responsibly disclose vulnerabilities in software. It's not just about finding bugs, it's about contributing to a safer digital environment while potentially earning rewards for your efforts. Repo number 9, Android Reports and Resources. Lastly, for mobile enthusiasts, Android Reports and Resources focuses on vulnerabilities specific to Android apps. Whether you are analyzing malware trends or learning about secure coding practices, this repository is essential for anyone interested in mobile security. Conclusion. And there you have it, 9 amazing GitHub repositories that every cybersecurity student should explore. Which one are you most excited to dive into? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips and resources. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe online.